I upgraded from the Apple Watch 3 to the Apple Watch Series 6. Was it really worth it? Hey guys, I'm Andy, and today we're reviewing the Apple Watch Series 6. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you bought an Apple Watch already, Series 6, please drop me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts about it. So first, let's talk about what has changed in the new Apple Watch. There was a number of key features highlighted by Apple in their event when they announced its ECG, which is a new feature that was announced on the Series 5. For me, it's new, but that's available now on the Series 6 as well. When it comes to new features in the health space, blood oxygen levels. This was really touted from Apple as being a key indicator into your overall fitness. And I think this makes the Apple Watch Series 6 a major contender in the health wearables. And one of the reasons I bought it. A couple other features, native sleep tracking. This is one of my most used features. I used to subscribe to a third-party application that can track my sleep and tabulate it in a third-party app and sync up with my health app. But now the watch has it built in to the operating system. I don't need a third-party app, so it saves me $2 a month. Awesome. But also I get all of my information, and maybe it's a little better now because it's built in the application. So sleep tracking. If we really want to talk innovation here, let's talk colors. The new Apple Watch, aside from the same colors that came in before, I bought the black aluminum, same finish I had on my previous Apple Watch, but they've recently announced a new product, red and blue aluminum, along with gold aluminum. Now, I don't know if Apple's trying to capitalize on just more consumers or some blue and red trend here, but innovation, guys. Go get a blue Apple Watch. Okay, something that was announced on the Apple Series 5 was the new always on display. And for one, I don't know about you guys, this is something I don't care about. The Apple Series 6, because of the advancement technology, it's got a better battery, therefore a more enhanced always on display. It's brighter, so in the sunlight, when you don't pick up your hand, you can see your watch face better. I don't know about you, but when I don't pick up my hand, it's really hard to see my watch face. You can't see the time. So for me, I like the battery life feature, so I turn the always on display off so that I don't have to charge my watch as often. So this is really one enhancement that, who cares? Along with all the other Apple products in Watch OS 7, especially on the Apple Watch Series 6, Siri is enhanced, so better dictation, and I can raise and just start talking. I don't use this very much, maybe once in a while to start timers or ask what the score of the football game was, things like that. But as ease of use increases, I'm sure use will increase. So it just made sense for Apple to make an improvement. Okay, so we talked about some of the key features. Let's jump into the pros. I mentioned a better always on screen, but I think this really translates into a bigger, better battery. And for me, battery life is the #1 key feature I was looking for in an Apple Watch. The other one, I was stuck almost charging daily, and that's okay because I do take it off daily, you know, when I jump in the shower or something. But if I don't need to do that, then that just makes my life easier. I would like to charge it at my convenience, not when the watch tells me to. So better battery life, always a better feature. Let's continue that trend. Okay, and in the same space, going along with just advancement technology, the brighter display, great. It's bigger than my last Apple Watch. Remember, I upgraded from the Series 3. I had the 42mm model. They didn't have that. That model no longer exists, at least in the Series 6. So I upgraded to the 44. And I thought it was gonna feel hunkier on my watch and just massive, and it doesn't. It feels great. I have a bigger screen, I can put more information on there, it's easier to read. Great. It's also a little snappier, so there's a faster processor in there, along with the better battery life. We were talking almost 3 years in technological advancements here, so it was expected to be a little snappier. So that's a nice thing to see, especially when I'm loading my third-party apps that run on the Apple Watch. They seem to load a little quicker than before. So a lot of expectations were there, and it matched right up. So great. And I mentioned some of the health features, so blood O2 levels along with your ECG. This is really turning into an all-in-one health and fitness wearable. We can really give you a full indication of your fitness levels and in some cases your health. And Apple has even shown some videos in their product release where they showed some first-person accounts of this actually saving people's lives. So I'm in relatively good health. I'm not expecting I'll need this to save my life, but hey, can't hurt, right? Okay, so let's jump over to the cons now. What are some of the downsides to this device? Number one, it's 400 bucks. So I don't know about you, jumping over from an Apple Watch to Apple Watch just so I can spend another 400 bucks, that kind of hurts my wallet. I was able to sell my old one, so that hurt a little less. But I'm an early adopter, so I had to jump in. That's just kind of my thing. You're probably the same, so 400 bucks, still a downside, but a little expensive for a watch, especially if you're gonna buy one every couple years. And let's be honest, we went over some of the new features, but there's not a whole lot that's new here. You can probably get away with a value Apple Watch by buying the new SE they released. That seems more closer aligned with the old Apple Watch Series 3, but in a bigger form factor with some upgraded tech. But without your Blood O2, your ECG, maybe a lot of people don't need those, so great. You can jump over to Apple Watch SE and get a cheaper one. Some of the similar features exist there, bigger, brighter screen, better battery, yada, yada, yada. And I'm gonna steal a line from MKBHD. Why haven't they made a circle yet? It's blue, they can't make it round? Come on. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it up, but before I do, please let me know if you liked the video, hit that thumbs up, and if you bought an Apple Watch Series 6 or an SE and you like it, you don't, tell me what you think in the comments down below. So my conclusion, I'm pretty happy I upgraded. Like I said, I went from the Series 3 to Series 6. So if you're going from a similar version of the Apple Watch, I would recommend upgrading. I think it's worth it. I was able to capitalize on the value of my Series 3 before the Series 6 was announced. So if you're looking to maybe sell off your current device to recoup some of that investment, you may not get as much today as you did before, but you still may be able to get some. There's still a hot market for these wearables, so I wouldn't write yourself off just yet. If you have a Series 4 or Series 5, I would say the upgrade probably doesn't make much sense. The ECG feature is also available on the Series 5, so you're not getting a whole lot new besides your blood oxygen level. If you really need that sort of thing, you can upgrade, but I think it's gonna feel like the same watch if you upgrade. You're just paying more money. Okay guys, there you have it. There's my take on the Apple Watch Series 6. Hope you liked it. See you next time.